Welcome to your introduction to process technology. I'm so glad to have you in this course this semester. Course is an overview of the process technology activities, and here at Northern Oklahoma College we have our traditional operator process technology, an instrumentation process technology, and process technology that's related to renewable energy. This course is used for all of those particular avenues. So I'm going to get you a little bit familiar with your Blackboard course. We are using Blackboard Ultra this semester, and so this is going to give you just a little bit of where to find things in your course and how your course is going to work. So first of all, when you come in, this is the view that you're going to see. And as the semester progresses, you're going to start to see more and more materials pop up into your course. So a couple things I want to point out even before we do the start here click. I want you to scroll down. Blackboard Ultra is designed that you don't have to click too far down into a topic in order to get to the information that you need. So if you've used a Blackboard course before, or here at Northern Oklahoma College, we've used the traditional one, and a lot of these register blasts, Blackboard Help, academic service blanks, were all on the left-hand side menu. Now there are right here in the document, so you'll need to just kind of scroll down. So when you first come into the course, we want you to click the Welcome Start Here, and this video will be in that particular section as well. So when you click on that, it'll take a couple of seconds to get the folder to open. Obviously my internet is moving a little slower. There we go. And you'll need to complete the student contract, and it's just making sure that you are aware that this is an online course and some of the things that we expect from an online course person. You'll also introduce yourself to the class. We are going to use discussion boards throughout the semester so that we can learn from each other. As we investigate the processing technologies, different industries, different things that we have to consider as our roles of process technicians, we want to make sure that we're learning from experience of others, and we want to make sure that people are in there. So we want to get to know you, so please introduce yourself to the class. Then you'll have a series of folders that will help you get yourself familiar with working in an online class. It has our accessibility links, it has the grading policies, it has the course navigation, all kinds of helpful hints. And so this is material that you may need to come back to and refer to, but it gets you those helpful hints. Once you've completed your student contract and you've introduced yourself to the class, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click into week 1. You can also find the syllabus here, and you can find instructor information there. If you want to get a hold of me, there you see this little message icon here, and you can direct message me through Blackboard. So that goes straight to my email, comes into Blackboard, and it's a good way to get in contact with me. Additionally, you have my instructor information, you have my office hours. I'm located on the Tonkawa campus, generally on Monday and Wednesdays. Tuesdays I'm a little flexible because Tuesdays we have lots of meetings on various campuses, but I'm typically on the Tonkawa campus. You can find me on the Enid campus on Thursdays, and Fridays I'm in the Stillwater campus. If you need to schedule an office hour with me, this link will take you directly to my calendar, and I can get you some office hours. If you need to do it via Zoom, please let me know that, and I can send you a Zoom link. So that's how you get a hold of my information. So let's look at how you're going to work in the class. So our first week is going to be the role of the process technician and introduction into industries. I have built this into various sessions, so they're kind of like class periods, but some are shorter, some are longer, and they're grouped together by the information. So you'll want to click on this particular thing, and this is called a learning module. In each learning module, you're going to find some of the same types of things. You'll find a detailed PDF of the week and schedule, so if you click on that, what you're going to see is a PDF file that you can print out, help you organize yourself. It tells you what is graded, what's not graded, when things are due, and tells you exactly kind of follow through. And the way I've laid this out is you're going to, it's going very similar to what I'm just describing. You'll open up the Get Started Here folder, you'll complete the online survey, you introduce yourself to the class, get into week 1, and kind of step through the material. So that will help you out as well. The other thing that you'll see is you'll see our videos, you'll see links to videos, you'll see what is process technology. These are annotated PowerPoints. I also have a YouTube video channel, and you'll see a link to that later, and you can click on there. Several of these PowerPoints do have audio links, so you may have to click on the little speaker in order to get the audio. But I've gone through each of the materials. You may see a resources folder, and for sessions 2 and 3, this worked here, and you've got links to extra material, not just what your textbook provides. You'll also have your YouTube introduction to the video link, so that you have that there. What's nice about having YouTube is a lot of those videos have closed captions associated with them. And then you'll click through the sessions as you see here. You get the various material. So then I've put the homework and assignments together. So in here, you'll click on all your homework, and you'll see the various homework items associated with it. So this first week, we have a quiz, we have 4 homework sessions, and I do the weekly survey. The weekly survey is how I maintain contact with you all. It's a good place to ask questions. It's a good place to tell me if you're struggling. It's a good place to give me some hints as to what's happening with you. And that's also how I monitor attendance. So that is essentially, and it's very quick and easy points. So you want to make sure that you get that weekly survey done. Finally, you have 2 discussion boards this week, and you'll see that you'll see the due dates here, and you'll have the discussion things. Please start your discussions early. It's really hard for somebody to respond to a discussion board an hour before the discussion board is due. So you want to kind of just get on your discussion board, start early and often, and then you will also see that there will probably be a questions and answer type of discussion board just for general questions, sharing information. A lot of that would be there. So that would be something that you would want to look at. Couple things I do want to point out about Blackboard Ultra is that your content is through here, your announcements will be through there. You can actually go to all your discussion boards here. You can check your grades in your grade books, you can look at your messages, but I do want to point out this calendar feature because that'll help you stay on track as well. And in one of these, I think it's in the welcome, there is using the calendar feature on your Blackboard Ultra. So when you come in here and you click on your calendar and you go to your month, you will see all the due dates. There's the due date for the student online contract, there's the due date for introducing yourself, and there are the due dates for the first set of homeworks. So that'll help keep you on track. So hopefully this introductory video will get you started, get you getting through the material. If you have any questions, please go back to that content folder and you can contact me via message there, or you can email me directly. Looking forward to a great semester.